Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delisamae. For today's video, we are diving into a Born Pretty polish tutorial, and I am so excited for you guys to see what we have in store. If it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delisamae and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on this channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, as well as nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching this channel. Now, along for the exciting updates, I have been working for this very specific company for almost 9 years. It'll be 9 years here in October. And I am so excited to finally say that I have received a promotion. I am so excited to finally be a part of our leadership team. And if you have been along with me during this entire journey, you know I have been putting in so much work, dedication, intentional relationship building, and I am so extremely blessed. I'm grateful to finally have received a promotion. Let me know down in the comments if you are celebrating something exciting in your life. Another update. We finally hit 8K subscribers for Delisamae's channel. You guys have been blowing up the shorts. You guys have been watching the long form. You guys have been sharing the content. Thank you so much. I truly am so excited because I would not be here without any of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you for continuing to come, to comment on the videos, to leave some emojis down in the comments. You guys are literally amazing, and I am so grateful to every single one of you watching. But I'm excited to start this new chapter of my life, right? I feel like it'll be perfect because I have my hip surgery that's going to be at the end of this month. So you guys, there are so many moving parts, so many new things that I am coming into contact with. And I'm just at a place where I am normally so comfortable, and I have been doing all of these new things. And I think change and challenging yourself is a really good thing. And I have been comfortable in my role at work for so long. And I think, taking the bull by the horns and, just going full fledged and learning new things is always so exciting. So I'm pumped. Okay, I'm bummed. I'm also just a little bit under the weather, so you might hear it in my voice, but that did not stop me from getting ready and recording a video for you guys, because you guys are nothing but all my thoughts and in my prayers, and I just had to come on here and show you guys that I have been thinking about you. Before we get into all of these different polishes from Born Pretty, we also just hit a huge milestone on this channel. We just reached 10 million views. We are doing such amazing work here on this channel, you guys. We have been consistent. Overall, just this last month, we've gained 400 subscribers. So thank you to every single one of you guys who are sharing, liking, subscribing, watching the videos. You guys, this is nothing but just sheer hard work, dedication, and consistency. People are always talking about, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. You can absolutely accomplish your dreams if you put your mind to it. You guys know, if you've been here on the channel for a while, I work full-time job. I'm a licensed nail technician, so I have my clients that I squeeze in on my days off, Mondays and Tuesdays, sometimes Sunday nights. And, all of my people, all of my friends, I love you dearly so much, right? So many people that come to mind: Cedric, Rochelle, Elizabeth, Logan, RGJ, Mr. Robert Garcia Jr., so many people, Joan. There's just so many people that I can't even think of, but all because of you guys, we are here. Miss Tiana, who else? Breezy, like the list goes on. Soul Miss, how could I forget you? It's just like so many people in my life that have supported me. My husband, Kyle. Good for you. So I'm just so extremely happy. So many things that's changing in my life, and I am just so happy to have you guys here to come to be able to get some things off my chest, to vent, to see what these next couple of months are going to look like because they are going to be so different. And I am excited to step into this new chapter in my life and see what God has to offer because it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Lots of stuff happening. Okay, so enough with all of the rambling. Let's get into why we are all here. Born Pretty sent me some beautiful, stunning colors. I'm so excited to review them here with you today. They also sent some builder gel, some like sculpted builder gel, which is really fun. It'll be like my first time trying to use a product like this. So without further ado, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down in the comments below, hype up this channel. Come on now, hype up this channel. I'll do a little song and dance for you. Hype it up. All right, so Born Pretty, thank you so much for sending me these polishes. This is a sponsored video, so if you are liking what you are seeing, please let me know. Let Born Pretty know. Send some love over to their social medias. And without further ado, let's dive in. Hello, hello, hello. Let's go ahead and try our very first color. We are going to be rocking the Grape Golden MY552. I am already loving the consistency of how this polish is going onto the swatch. For it being our very first coat, you can see that there is so much full coverage, and we are going to cure for about 60 seconds. I'm making sure that the polish is nice and even before we go in with that flash cure and moving right along to the second. You guys, this is giving sunset sherbet to me. This color is absolutely beautiful. I am already in love with just the second coat, and we haven't even touched it with the cat eye. So we've got our Johnstone cat eye magnet, and I'm just gonna wake up that cat eye slightly, moving it parallel to the nail, and then we're gonna get that entire shine of that nail when we are angling it towards the tip. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure that fairly quickly because I am loving the way that that turned out. And now for one of our other sponsored polishes, we actually have a water ripple top coat. Try to say that 10 times. That's so funny. You can see that when you are applying the ripple top coat, that you can see that the polish is almost not congealing, but you can see that it is turning into almost like a water glass stained polish. And it's really cool because this is also top coat incorporated into it. So it's kind of like a two-in-one. So my very first time using it here on the channel, it's very different, but we've got our gold graded, our gold, you guys, oh my goodness. Our grape golden, that is so funny. I literally can't even get over it. Okay, before we get all tongue-tied, let's move right along to our very next color. We have our brown sugar MY653, and this polish is going to be a reflective one. So you can see as we are tilting the nail back and forth how much glitter you can see from the light. When we go in after our cure, you'll see that the second coat will give quite a bit of full coverage. One of my favorite things about reflective polish is when you are walking down the street and you have headlights flashing your nails are going to be reflective. I've posted one of my viral shorts, and you can see that even with just like the camera flash, the glitter on the reflective polish is unmatched. So whenever Born Pretty is offering to send any kind of reflective polish, I always make sure to jump on it because it is so beautiful. And then we're gonna top it off with our water ripple top coat, really making sure that I've covered every surface and curing that for about 60 seconds. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the water ripple top coat. It is very different for me. I can see the appeal, but brown sugar MY653 is beautiful. For our third color, we have our sweet fudge MY652. These names for these polishes are unmatched. I would love me some sweet fudge, but that's only because I am a certified big bag. You guys have to let me know what is your favorite sweet treat? Your favorite sweet treat? I love me some classic milk chocolate. You guys, I could talk about sweets all day, and it's so sad because with the journey that I'm on, I have to like limit my sweet intake. But did that stop me from getting crumble cookie last week? No, I don't think so. We have Sweet Fudge, which is another stunning reflective gel polish. I thought that I would use Born Pretty's standard top coat just to see what the difference is when we have our regular top coat compared to our water ripple top coat. I am so excited to hear from you guys down in the comments. Which color is your favorite? That is so beautiful. It's almost like a deep strawberry. And now we are getting into some unknown territory with this builder gel. This is a 5D sculpting builder gel, and I'm sure you guys have seen all the videos online where they go and make like little round balls and kind of mold them into a flower. So that's what we're gonna try to attempt here today. So I've got a little tool, like a cuticle pusher, and I am just trying to get a feel for this sculpting gel. So it's also non-stick to the hand, which is really nice. Really, I should be wearing gloves, but we have our little balls that we're gonna try to make into petals, you guys. I feel like I made the little balls too big to where I'm only gonna use 4 of them. And I have my little silicone tool that we're gonna grab to see how how far we're gonna be able to get when it comes to molding a flower. So I have our silicone tool, and I just previously watched a little video, and essentially you want to do one push down the middle, and then you're kind of like sliding that petal into one another. As I was going through, I was like, okay, I think I can see a flower. I feel like it would be much better if I didn't use literally grape size balls. You guys, it's so funny. So I'm just gonna be pushing and molding, moving around this with this silicone tool, try to accomplish a flower. I feel like I could have stopped there, but I was like, you know what? There's a first time for everything. Let's just kind of let the artist in me kind of figure out what we're gonna try to do with this mold. So I'm taking a moment, I'm pausing, I've dragged out some of the petals. This middle one here, I was contemplating whether or not I wanted to like pinch off a piece and then have it be molded. But I'm like, you know what? No. I'm like, we're gonna keep moving. So I am actually gonna pull that extra petal out to the side and then almost like making it a little bit skinnier so that the flower is almost going off of the nail. So I am really just being vulnerable, and I'm like, okay, let's just pretend this is a piece of clay. I really liked after how when I can't even talk because I'm so like, what are we even doing? I really like the way that the petal on the middle kind of like, we're able to move it, we're able to mold it right into like where we want it to sit. And then you can see that I've got our Salvie land light, and I'm just adjusting it to see how this is gonna turn out. And I'm not mad, you guys. I think the next time that I attempt a flower, I'm not gonna use such big beads of gel, and definitely make it a little bit smaller. But I think for my first time around, I'm not mad. And of course, we are going back in with our grape golden because it is absolutely stunning. And I'm like, why not just polish this flower with the cat eye polish and hit it with the magnet and see how it turns out? So I'm going to cover the entire flower with cat eye polish and really just being a little messy with it because, you know, we are out here just doing this for the first time. So I thought that as long as I cover the entire flower, hit it with the cat eye, how can it not turn out beautiful? So I'm just making sure that I'm getting all of the nooks and crannies, making sure that every bit of this flower is covered so that when we are ready to grab our cat eye magnet, we are able to just hit it full fledged. So making sure I got a little bit more polish just to make sure I'm getting like the sides, the behinds. Now that I am satisfied with the polish, I am grabbing our cat eye magnet and I'm just hitting it in a couple of different places to really accentuate the orange, or I would like to say the sunset. I put it right in the middle and I am absolutely flabbergasted on how this turned out. I'm satisfied and I'm going to grab that light and we're going to cure that bad boy right in place. Let me know down in the comments, have you guys experienced 5D non-stick sculpting gel? And if you've got some tips and tricks for me, let me know. This almost looks like a maple leaf. Where my Canadians at? This look like your leaf. Here are all of our beautiful swatches of our reflective, our cat eye, as well as our 5D sculpted gel. Here are going to be the list of products that we use. We've got our cat eye magnet, our Salviland light, of course, our Born Pretty top coat, and then our star of the show, the builder gel, which was really fun to work with, and our silicone tool. What did you guys think of all of those stunning polishes? You guys already know which one my favorite is. I mean, you guys can clearly tell on the current set that I have on that, what is it? It's giving sunset sherbet to me, but I'll make sure to put the name of the one that I favor right here. Let me go get it. Give me 1 second. I want to say it's golden grape. That's what it is. It's golden grape or grape golden. And normally for myself, I do almost kind of like light blue, light purples, like pink kind of colors. But as soon as I swatch this up, I said, I know exactly what's going on my nails on this next set. So I'm so excited. These are also like my like petal Ariana Grande nails. Are you guys loving the album? You guys, it has been on repeat. It's been on repeat in the car, getting ready, eating food. I love her new album. You guys, let me know down in the comments if you guys stand Ariana. I know she be doing some crazy things in her spare time. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out, watching till the end of this video. If you guys made it to the end of this video, leave a pink little flower for. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll toss my link tree right up here so you guys have easier access, and follow me on my other social medias and see all the silly things that I be posting. Don't forget to hype up this video, and I will see you guys for another video soon. Okay? Bye.